Nate&Nach.
Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing tie-dye. So we've got our tie-dye colours, our wet shirts, our gloves and our rubber bands. So I'm going to do my design. This is my bullseye design. And I made it like this. So I made my shirt flat, picked it in the middle and then put rubber bands all through. And for Nach, my mum made a simple method for Nach. So we put on our aprons. Now it's time to tie-dye. Yay! I love this part. Okay, Nach, you're supposed to Doesn't it look great? So, you see?
And I finished.
That looks great, Nachi. But there's a little bit of white parts there, Nachi. So we're going to put it in the bag for 8 hours, rinse it, put it in the washing machine, and show you how it looks.